Hi, my name is Emily Monaldi and I'm from Troop 7339. I'll be presenting my stage management portfolio for Metamorphoses by Mary Zimmerman. I put my goals first because they're the first thing in my binder. They're the first thing I see when I open my binder and they remind me of what I want to achieve this show. Some of my main goals for this show were to improve communication and collaboration, our organization as a whole, and to leave a legacy by training new members and leaders. My schedules are next because they are frequently referenced. Therefore, they need to be easy to get to. My rehearsal logs are set up in sections to help keep clear where the information, questions, or tasks from that rehearsal are supposed to be directed. For my production meeting logs, I decided against having notes for every crew on one piece of paper. Instead, I went with making each crew their own half sheet. For my prompt book, I kept all of my blocking notes on the left-hand side of the page and all of the tech ones on the right. The majority of the cues are the same color between the flags and the highlights where circumstances allowed. I use flags to denote warnings for light cues, sound cues, actor entrances, and quick changes. Where the script is highlighted is when a cue happens. For example, where the script is highlighted in green is where the actor enters the stage. I use the actor's initials instead of character names and a different system of stage directions when recording blocking. I find that having notated visuals as scene shifts makes it easier for everyone to understand what's going on. In this costume plot, the changes marked in yellow represent a very fast quick change that happens with the aid of a costumer. This show left many things up to the audience to fill in. A majority of our props were not rooted in having every little detail for the audience to see, but they gave the illusion to plates being filled with delicacies when all it was, in fact, was an empty platter. This show is timeless, with its classical and mythological Greek stories told in a modern language, to wearing togas with sunglasses and jumping rope in an ancient Greek mansion. Every aspect of this show suggests the full meaning without explicitly giving it to the audience. This draws the audience into the story. Being a stage manager to me is being the connection between the directors and everyone else. I am the one where knowledge centralizes around, and I try to organize the chaos and make sense of it. I am the calm in the eye of the storm, and I keep everyone moving forward and believing that we can, and we will, make this show amazing. It amazes me to have something that goes from being regular people with pieces of papers in their hands, to struggling to find solutions for all the problems that arise, to working together to create this whole new world, to that moment, opening night, when the first cue is given, the first line said. All of the time put into problem solving, keeping track of information, making sure everyone is on the same page, and making sure things are getting done in a timely manner pays off when the lights come up opening night.